big, large net long position in the grain complex itself. As you had mentioned, funds are net long about 233,000 contracts as of last Friday's Commitment to Traders report. That goes, again, through Tuesday, October 27th. It's estimated that Wednesday to Friday, funds were liquidating about 24,000 contracts. We expect the volatility to continue. We're seeing it here early this morning, trading in about 50 range, give or take, really across the board. Cattle, feeder cattle, and lean hogs. I think that the overall market has firmed up a little bit. We can continue to see these December live cattle futures trade a little closer to that 110. We're keeping a close eye on cash this week.
I think 1.25 is in the cards. I am bearish on Treasury prices, bullish on the yields, have been for over a month now. I think this is intermission in a longer-term yields lower for longer narrative. But I've invested in silver. I think there's a lot more upside here. We're going to get stimulus from the U.S. and silver doesn't care whether it's fiscal or monetary with interest rates at zero. So we're also seeing stimulus from the Bank of England today. We're also seeing Eurozone growth cut, and that's going to bring more stimulus from them. So I think that's all very supportive to the metals. And then on top of that, dollar weaker is big too. And what we're seeing, not only just U.S. dollar weakness, but Chinese yuan strength. And the Chinese yuan is up about 7% against the U.S. dollar. Then I think there's another 3% to go. That's from June.
We haven't seen a whole lot of cash trade developing this week, but I have been talking to some guys out across the country that feel pretty optimistic here over the next couple of weeks. We're going to continue to see that cash market firm up, and some people projecting upwards of 112 the next couple of weeks. And so I think that'll continue to offer support to the market.
It's totally foreseeable to see gold come in the way it did. A lot of that consolidation really took place above the previous record high in gold. So where gold has been out above that previous record high, Bitcoin has yet to do that. And that's why I think gold's path is really important here. But as well, we've seen a very good constructive technical pattern on the monthly chart. After that monthly spinning top, we're seeing a bull flag develop, and that is going to be very bullish if we can start moving it above 2,000.